Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today we have our helper James and he's going to help us unbox another Ryan's World toy. James, what toy do you have today?
Today we have the Party Fun Figs. These are figurines where you put your mouth. It's like when you go to a party, you put your mouth on a piece of paper, I guess, and you blow it. And we actually could get characters with it to, I guess, stick it on to one of these we're gonna get. So let's open up.
Okay, we're about to find out.
What we got?
We got fun.
This is actually so cool.
Yes, look at all the confetti.
Here we have it.
Nice.
The kind of blow toy.
Yes.
Yeah, you could call it. That's what I call it. Okay. What do you think we got?
Does it look like Combo Panda?
I think it looked like Gus.
You think it's Gus? Okay, let's see.
Let's see what it is. You guys guess with us too before you open it. 3, 2, 1. We got Combo!
Combo Panda! Yeah!
Let's go!
Let's go, Combo Panda! That's awesome! Nice!
So now let's put it on to this. Now we're going to put the toy together.
Oh wow! So you roll it up.
You basically just roll it up.
That is awesome! Oh, nice!
That's actually super duper kaluka fun. Okay, we're wrapping Combo Panda. Wrap him up, wrap him up. I'm wondering, what's you guys' favorite Ryan's toy? 3, 2, 1, go!
So that is such a great toy. Now children, today's Anthony Robbins quote is gonna be: people who succeed at the highest level are not lucky. They're doing something differently than everyone else. So what that means is, if you want to succeed at a higher level and be the best in school, at home, and everywhere else, you have to do something different. So what I mean by something different is, you may have to study more, you may have to spend more time at school doing more exercises than the other students. So what that means is, if you want to get better results in school, at home, and everywhere else, it is not by luck. You have to do something different than everybody else. Now, our helper James is going to show us how much fun this toy is by blowing it. If you learned something today, please share this video with your friends and family, and like this video and subscribe to our channel. Remember what we always say on this channel: it's not impossible cause I'm unstoppable. It's not impossible cause I'm unstoppable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye. Bye.